Hello everyone, what's up guys, welcome to my another new video. So if you want to make round edge border in your Instagram story, same like iPhone from your Android mobile, then this video is only for you. I will show you an easy way to make round edge Instagram story border in your Android smartphone, same like this in my side. Because you already know that this feature is only available for iOS devices in Instagram app. But if you are an Android user, then how can you do it from your Android smartphone? That I will show you in my today's video. So without wasting any time, we're gonna start this video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and also press the notification bell icon for my latest videos updates. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So guys, if you want to make round edge Instagram story border in your Android smartphone, so first you have to go to my description box, and in this video description there is a link of website, and when you tap on that website, in that link you will visit this website guys. Sorry, this website. You will visit this website and you have to scroll down at the last, and you can see in one section free templates for round edge story. So here are many templates, different templates here. So you have to download any one template from here. You can download all template also. I download this template. Okay, black, green, all templates are here, different types. So after you download any one template here, you have to go to your Instagram, and now I click on this Reels button, and in this Reels button, suppose I want to add this this Reels to my story with round edge border. So how can I do? I click on this share button and add reel to my story. So for example, you can select your video from your gallery also. So now you have to click on this icon guys, this icon at the top. Okay, third number icon. So simply tap on this and you can see this option, gallery option. Select photo from gallery, so you have to click on this option, and I have downloaded this template. So now you have to adjust it. Okay, you have to adjust properly this frame, video and frame. You have to adjust it very properly guys. Okay, so now you can see guys, round edge border I have do from my Android smartphone, and this template link is in my description. So from this trick you can easily do this. So I discard this story because I don't want to add this, and just showing you how can I do this. So this is the trick. I hope you like this video, and this template link is in my description. You have to do this same trick and you can easily do. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for my latest videos update. So bye bye guys.